This scholar is narrating an incident. I'm translating it as you listen. The event is that a cruel king sank into the ground. By starting the episode, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks. There is a book in Urdu called That is Interesting Events. This is the story of this book. The event is that a king was more cruel than the nation of Israel. He used to lay the foundation of all kinds of cruelty. So he started building a house, ordered workers to remove blocks from pregnant women and prepare skin. The workers did the same by gathering pregnant women and making them work. Among these women, there was also a woman whose pregnancy period had been completed. Caught her. Each time she excused herself to give me some time to recover from the pain of childbirth. Then I will participate in your work. The cruel employees did not listen to him, but started beating him. It was difficult for this patient to even sit up due to grief and pain. What is the mention of carrying a burden on the head? Finally, when he started hitting from all sides, he felt his life like a mountain. Tired of life, she cried out to God and said, "Oh my Lord, I am a weak woman caught in this calamity. Who is his helper in this difficult situation except you? Is he not aware of this situation? Death is better than such a life." Then a divine punishment was revealed that the cruel king immediately sank into the ground along with the entire court. My request again is that if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and comment the video. Thanks for watching the video. Be happy and be prosperous. See you in the next video. Protect yourself. Allah Hafiz.